In this lesson we will be discussing modeling in the scientific term. So what is a model? A model can be thought of as a means of using something we are familiar with to help understand something new. So what does that mean? Let's look at an example. Suppose you wanted to determine if a watermelon and a pencil will hit the ground at the same time if you drop them from the top of a tall building. Now, if you drop the watermelon and the pencil off the building, you might not make it to the bottom before they hit the ground and therefore not be able to tell which hit the ground first. So what can you do? Is there some method you can use to help you at least predict which object will hit the ground first? You guessed it. You can use a model of a smaller building and two smaller objects and make some observations. This might help you predict what will really happen. So why use modeling? In physics, many times you will notice that sometimes large objects, which you know to be made up of many trillions of atoms, are represented by a single particle. Why is that so? That obviously isn't what is actually happening. The reasoning behind why a physicist might consider an object made up of many different particles to be just one particle is because they're modeling the object in such a way as to make the problem they're trying to solve easier to understand. You will also come to learn that in many cases modeling an object as a single particle does not greatly affect the true behavior of the object. So why not simplify the problem when you can make your life easier? Sounds like a good reason to use modeling to me. I hope this helps you understand a little bit about why scientists use modeling.